Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you having a Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation right here. If you need to find where the ignition switch, fuses and relays are located, guys, we'll cover that. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you guys watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix if your ignition switch doesn't work. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the ignition switch, fuses, relays come to show you guys where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee right here. Now you will have, guys, two different kinds of fuse boxes depending on the year and the model of your Jeep Grand Cherokee. We'll explain about each one of those. We need to open the hood first. Facing the engine on the left side is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover and underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this is 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. First, guys, let's go ahead and explain, okay, what we need to check here. Specifically, we'll be working now in 2011 to 2013 year model. First, we need to check fuse J13 right here. Okay, that fuse right here. Then we need to check fuse number M27. See this fuse right here will need to be checked. After that, you need to locate fuse number M34. Right there, guys, M34. And we're not done, guys. We need to check relay K1, relay K2, and we need to check relay K4 right here. Now, if you have 2012 to 2014 year Jeep Grand Cherokee, that's the layout that you have here. Specifically here, we need to check now, okay, fuse number F50, F51, guys, and F51. If you come right here, okay, this is fuse number 51 right here, that 15 amp fuse you need to check. We, guys, are not done. We need to check quite a few relays now, and we're talking about relay K6, this relay here, K6. Then we need to check relay K8, which is now that will be, okay, some models will have that relay right here, K8. Then you need to check relay K12 right here, K14, and next K15. All these relay fuses are the ones that you guys need to check on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model. They may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.